Hi guys, if you're tired of security cameras that alert you for every little thing, today we're upgrading your setup with the Dahua WizSense 16-channel PoE NVR DHNVR4216-16P. This NVR supports 2 internal HDDs, giving you plenty of storage for high-resolution footage. Let's open the box. First, we see the power cord, followed by the installation guide in this pink bag. Next is a short Ethernet cable, then the SATA power and data cables for connecting HDDs to the main unit. And here's the USB mouse, essential for navigation. Now, the main unit. The back panel is impressive. 16 PoE ports on the left. One cable handles power and data, which makes wiring a breeze. On the right, you have HDMI and VGA ports ready for 4K video output. This 16-channel PoE NVR is perfect for small business security or a professional home monitoring system. That's everything in the Dahua NVR4216-16P box. For genuine Dahua NVRs and CCTV cameras in Australia, check out S-Market, 3-year warranty and local support. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.